Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between green hills and a sparkling river, there lived a curious boy named Arav. Arav loved exploring the woods and collecting shiny stones, colorful leaves, and interesting things he found along the way. One sunny afternoon, Arav was wandering near the river bank. As he walked, he noticed a strange, smooth stone lying near the water. It wasn't like any stone he had seen before. It shimmered faintly, even in the shade. Intrigued, Arav picked it up. As soon as his fingers touched the stone, he heard a soft, whispering voice. "Hello, young one," the voice said. Arav's eyes widened in surprise, and he looked around to see who was speaking. But there was no one nearby. "Who's there?" Arav asked, his voice trembling slightly. "It's me, the stone," the voice replied. Arav stared at the stone in his hand, amazed and a little scared. "Don't be afraid. I'm here to tell you a story," the stone continued. Arav's curiosity overcame his fear. "What story?" he asked, sitting down on a patch of soft grass. The stone's voice grew warm and inviting. "Long ago, I was not a stone. I was a wise old tree that stood tall in this forest. Birds made their nests in my branches, and travelers rested in my shade. One day, a terrible storm came. The wind was so strong that it broke me apart. But the earth, kind and loving, turned my spirit into this stone so I could still share my wisdom." Arav listened, fascinated. "What kind of wisdom?" he asked. The stone chuckled softly. "Wisdom about kindness, patience, and the importance of nature. For example, did you know that even the smallest creatures, like ants and bees, play a big role in keeping the forest alive? Or that the trees you see around you talk to each other through their roots, helping one another grow?" Arav's eyes sparkled. "That's amazing. I never knew that." The stone continued, "Every living thing has a purpose, Arav. And it's important for us to take care of each other and the world around us. Tell me, do you see that little sapling near the river?" Arav turned and saw a tiny tree struggling to grow in the sandy soil. "Yes, I see it," he said. "That sapling needs water and care," the stone said. "If you promise to help it grow, it will one day become a big, strong tree, just like I was." Arav nodded eagerly. "I promise to take care of it," he said. The stone's voice grew softer. "Thank you, Arav. Remember, small actions can make a big difference. Share this lesson with others, and you will help the earth grow stronger and happier." Just then, the stone stopped glowing, and the voice faded away. Arav looked at it, wondering if he had imagined everything. But then he smiled. Whether the stone truly spoke or not, its message was clear. From that day on, Arav visited the sapling every day, watering it and protecting it from harm. He also told his friends about the talking stone and the importance of taking care of nature. Soon, the whole village joined in. They planted more trees, cleaned the river, and made the forest a lively, beautiful place. Years later, the sapling grew into a towering tree, and Arav often sat under its shade, sharing stories with children about the stone that spoke. And though he never heard the stone's voice again, Arav carried its wisdom in his heart forever.